everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am gonna just do a get ready with me. I'm gonna go out. It's 2:50 and we're going to a movie and dinner at 5, so I have a couple hours and I just wanted to do my makeup, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to my hair yet. I'm just letting it air dry. I just got out of the shower, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the new makeup I got and just kind of test it out and yeah, just do a little get ready with me. So I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to be notified, and let's get into it. Okay, the first new product I want to show you guys is this new brush I got. It was recommended to me by my friend who does hair, and it's called the finger brush, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But it's like you can massage your scalp with it and like move it back and forth, but it's also just like a really smooth brush, so it brushes your hair really nice and it doesn't pull. It kind of reminds me of the wet brush, but you can like massage your scalp with it. So this is awesome, and it's my first time using it. I just got it yesterday, so I'm really excited about it, and I will link it down below. So I have washed my face. I exfoliated it in the shower. My hair is falling out like crazy right now. But I exfoliated my face in the shower, and then I put moisturizer on. I just put on this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is what I love to put under my makeup most days because it's so lightweight and it has hyaluronic acid, and it's the best stuff ever. I just picked some more up from Ulta because I ran out. So my face is moisturized and cleaned and exfoliated. I also did toner. I put toner on first. So I did this Thayer's Witch Hazel. I have the cucumber scent. Just a little FYI, the cucumber smells really bad, so I'd recommend getting the rose or the lavender over the cucumber. But yes, all right, so let's get started. So I mentioned in my last video that I got this It Cosmetics CC cream, and I have been using it for the last 2 days and I love it so much. So the first time I put it on, I was like a little nervous because it was pretty full coverage, and I actually usually don't do like any foundation. I usually just do concealer and stuff, so I'm not a huge fan of foundation, and I was a little shocked because I was like, it looks like way too much makeup. But then I used my damp beauty blender and I blended it in way better, and it just looked so much better, and I'm a huge fan of it. So I got the color Fair. I think it's the lightest color, but this stuff is awesome. So I'm going to start by putting this on. I'm just going to do about 2 pumps of this onto my hand. And then I'm just going to rub it together and then just put it directly on my face. And I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, so don't mind me when I look up here. It's a little light, and this is where I started freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, what have I done? This is too much makeup. But once you rub it in, it looks so much better. I think I did put too much, so I'm gonna wipe a little bit off. A little goes a long way. I've decided with this stuff, you don't need a ton. Maybe you only need like 1 pump or a pump and a half. This is like my 3rd day using it, so I don't even know the best amount, but since I like less coverage, I like it to be a little bit more natural. I would do a little bit less. I just want to like pull it in close and show you that you can still see my flaws, which is actually really good for me because I don't like 100% full coverage. I just think it looks like too much makeup on me. But you can still see like freckles, and like here's a zit, and you can still see it. And then I can just go in with concealer and cover that up. So Okay, next I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I use this every single time. I should honestly do a drugstore makeup haul because I've noticed that most of the stuff I use is actually pretty cheap and drugstore, so it would be great. I'm just going to use this foundation brush to dab it in, and I might even go in with my beauty blender. We'll see. I think I just look like a floating head because I have a black turtleneck on. Ah, funny. So I went to Ulta today, as I mentioned, and I got this Real Techniques brush. It's number 201, and it's the powder bronzer brush. I was using this bronzer brush and I just felt like I had less control, so I got one that's a little bit smaller. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna use, this is the NARS Paloma as my bronzer. And I'm just gonna put it right here on my cheekbones and then brush it up. So I usually just go from the forehead and then to the cheek and then down to the chin, the jawline. The jawline. I'm gonna take the same on the other side. This stuff is a lot darker than the Stone Street Bobbi Brown color that I usually use, so I'm still like learning how much to put on my brush without getting it too much. I'm gonna take the MAC, it's the Studio Fix powder. I'm gonna take it in the color NW15. I'm just gonna set it right here under my eye because sometimes my concealer like creases just a little bit. I'm gonna put it on my beauty blender, just a little bit of powder. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use this that I've been using lately. It's the Ardell in medium brown. I put this in my last video. I'm just gonna zoom it in. I just bought this from e.l.f. It was like $2. It's mascara for your, it's clear mascara for your brows and your eyelashes, but I just use it for my brows. So I'm just gonna brush them up. So usually I use the boy brow, but I just got this and I wanted to use this instead. Okay, I'm gonna take the same blush as I took last time, the Rose Lala, and just put a little bit on my cheekbones. And then I'm just gonna take this little MAC brush and just blend it in. take the same powder and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids, just because a lot of times like I put that the cosmetic stuff on and you can already see that little like line, and I just hate that. So I'm gonna do like a primer. Actually, I'm gonna actually use a primer. I'm just gonna use this and then the powder. I'm gonna use, it's the Blemish Rescue from Bare Minerals, and it's Skin Clearing Anti-Redness Mattifying Primer. I'm just gonna do a little bit. And I like never wear eyeshadow, but I feel like today I kind of want to. And I probably won't wear a ton, but just a little bit. Okay, next. Now I'm gonna do this. I never do eyeshadow because I have these extensions and it makes it very difficult. Okay, I'm gonna use the same stick, the Rose La La. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on my eyelid. I'm gonna look into my mirror, so hopefully you can see this. Let's see. I'm just kind of doing it at the base of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna do the same to the left. Now I have to brush out my lashes again, but I love the pink on my eyelids. It's so cute. Oops. I'm just gonna add more pink because that's who I am. So I got this palette. This is the Treasure palette from Oh Hi, and I'm gonna use the color Petunia. So it's this pink color right here. Let me show you. Okay, so I already did my left eye. I just wanted to make sure I liked it before I showed you guys. And I'm just gonna kind of go over where I just went with the Rose La La stick. So it's just kind of making it a little bit brighter, and I think it's so fun. And I'm just gonna kind of take it on the sides here. I'm not gonna take on any more pigment. I'm just gonna brush it out here on the sides. I'm gonna do the same under here. That's it for the eyeshadow. I haven't worn eyeshadow in forever, and so I don't want to go too crazy. I'm gonna take highlighter now. I'm gonna use this MAC Soft and Gentle, and it's the Mineralized Skin Finish, and then this is the Morphe M143 highlighter brush. And I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna add highlight. I'm obsessed with highlight lately. I just looked in my mirror and I have so much highlight at the end of my nose, but I couldn't see it in my camera. I'm looking at my face and I think I need more bronzer, but I'm not gonna take the one I was using. I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown one because this is just my favorite one. Okay, I love the highlight on the nose. It's like my favorite. This brush is fun. It's so fluffy. I like it. And then I also like the highlight right above the lip. If you can even see it. I haven't worn mascara either in a long time just because I have the lash extensions, but I'm gonna do a little bit on the bottom. and I'm using the Trish McAvoy High Volume Mascara. And I'm just going to do it on the bottom lashes. And this is a thin brush, so it's really good for the baby lashes. This stuff is the best mascara, and it comes off in chunks, and so it doesn't leave dark circles under your eye if it does fall off. I'm just going to add some highlight to the corners of my eye, and I'm going to use this for the highlight. It's MAC Love Connection, and I'm just going to take the white part of it and put it in the corners of my eye with, I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, and the person I heard about this stick from was Alana. She's on YouTube and I'll link her below, and she put it on her eyes, her cheeks, and her lips, and it looks so pretty. So thanks to her for inspiring this video. I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks as well. I mean my lips. So I'm gonna line my lips. This is the Mineral Fusion. I just got this at Walmart and it's in the color Splendid, and it's just the lip pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lips. I kept the lip color on, but I'm gonna put a lipstick over it. So now to decide what color of lipstick to wear. Pink Plaid, which would stick with the monochromatic pink look, or do we do purple? Up the amp. Okay, I'm gonna try the purple, and if I hate it, we'll redo the lip liner because I think this would be fun. I love the purple, but I just don't know if I can wear this out tonight because I already have like such a bold eye. I think I'm gonna keep it monochromatic. I'm gonna go take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna reline the lips. Sorry for this, I'll just fast forward through this part. Okay, lips are lined, and then I'm just gonna do Pink Plaid and see what this looks like. Okay. I definitely like this a lot better than the purple. It's a little bit more neutral, and I love Pink Plaid. It's usually my go-to color anyway. It's always in my purse with me. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair down and I might straighten a couple of these pieces that have got a little kinked, but for the most part I think I'm just gonna leave it straight. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.